What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today I'm going to test out the action stabilization mode on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and do it and see if you're going to miss this on your iPhone 13 Pro Max if you don't upgrade. Let's check it out. So first let's talk about how to turn it on. There's an action mode button on the top left corner, and all you have to do is hit that, and that's it. It's that easy. So make sure you hit that first if you want that stabilization. Okay, so even though this is inside of a hotel and there's plenty of light, you can see that it says more light required over there. So you have to be in good lighting for this to work. So I can't do the stair test. I gotta go find some other stairs. Okay, so first let's test out the stabilization without action mode on. And this is just walking at a decent pace. And let's see if it looks any different. From what I can see right now, it doesn't look any different, but you let me know if you see any difference in the stabilization, because there is the second generation sensor shift stabilization on the iPhone 14 Pro. So let's see if that does make a difference. Okay, so let's go ahead and test the action stabilization. This is just me walking, and you should already be able to see the difference, but now I'm gonna run like crazy. Let's do it. This is looking so shaky right now. Okay, so we're gonna test what it looks like when I'm just walking. This is just normal walking. You're walking a little slow over here.
I have to walk sideways.
Yeah, hey, this is a real world test, right? Of what it looks like if you're just taking normal shots of somebody just walking. So what does it look like?
That's good.
Okay.
I'm trying to concentrate on not falling over, but...
Don't fall over. Okay, so my wife is walking backwards, so I hope she doesn't trip over anything. But this is what it would look like if you were to use a gimbal or something like that. So I wanted to see if this was actually possible with somebody just behind the camera that doesn't shoot video at all. So I want to see what this looks like. Be careful.
Oh my gosh, I can just see myself falling.
I'm a little bit scared. But okay, this is what it looks like. But let's go ahead and try to test some of the running over here.
Who's gonna run?
Me.
Oh no.
Okay, so the reason why I'm having Holly hold the camera is because this is a real world test. Maybe I'd be a little bit more stable, but I don't think she will be.
I don't have stable hands.
I'm not going to even give her any chance to go. Let's go.
And I'm running in flip-flops.
Let's go. Where are you?
I'm running in flip-flops, Danny.
That is not a good test. What is going on?
I have to pee.
Okay, we're going to try this again, but we're going to do it on concrete this time. I'm going to run a little slower too. Let's go. Can you do it?
Go faster. Go. Okay, too fast.
All right.
So this is the lengths he goes to. He found some random apartments, and he's gonna go run up and down the stairs for a stabilization test. Yep. So if you live in one of these apartments and you see a weird man with two phones, that's Danny.
Okay, so one of the best ways to test it is obviously running up and down the stairs. All right, we're gonna run down. Whoo! All right, this is kind of a silly test, but you'll be able to see me there in the reflection. I'm gonna do a jump test to show you what's being kept stable, and you should see the center of the frame should be stable here on the 14 Pro Max. Can you see it? Oh. I just wanted to mention that you do not have to have the Pro models to use action mode stabilization. It is also available on the iPhone 14 and the iPhone 14 Plus as well. So I think that's awesome. And you can shoot in 2.8K resolution, and it also shoots in HDR. So I think this is a handy tool to have if you shoot a lot of action. If you're shooting skateboarding or any kind of thing like that, then I think this is a great alternative to something like a GoPro. I don't think I'll be using this all the time, but with that quick toggle there, I think this will come in clutch for some great theme park footage. All right, so let me know what you think about the action mode stabilization on the iPhone 14 series. I'm off to do a lot more testing, especially with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, so make sure you stay tuned for that, and I will see you in the next one.